welcome in daily newspaper editorials audio program. Now headline: Appraisers know what you appraise. The Economic Times. Trainee of numbers. The Hindu. Now headline in detail: Appraisers know what you appraise. The Economic Times. In his in his essay, the the bureaucratic caste system for former IAS officer of Padma Bhushan represent MN Bus linked India's bureaucracy of caste hierarchy IAS as Brahmins, IPS, Kshatri, General bureaucracy as Viswas and teachers and scientists as Sudras. This unwritten caste system was debated in the Supreme Court this week when a challenge to the MP government's 2024 order on performance appraisal reports APAR for forest officers came up. The order mandated district level forest officers, divisional forest officers, conservator of chief conservators by appraised by district magistrate DMs and divisional commissioners DC and both IS officers. MP's forest officers have a valid case beyond the matters of rank. India Forest Service IFS is a specialist cadre focused on conservation, sustainable research management and environment protection. Unlike policy driven IS roles, forest officials require expertise in ecology and forestry, while IS officers specialized in generalizations. A separate command structure for IF ensures more informed evaluations given the service's unique challenges. It makes sense to keep performance assessment within its ranks. Trainee of Hindus, the trainees of number. The Hindu. Federal principles, democratic impulses are in conflict over delimitations. The call at all-party meeting chaired by Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin in Chennai on Wednesday to freeze the strength of the Lok Sabha and State Assemblies for 30 years beyond 2026 might seem like passing away a pressing problem into the distant future. The challenges in 2056 when delimitation is eventually taken up could be far more complex than those of the last exercise conducted after the Delimitation Commission was set up in 2002. Even if the northern states bring down the fertility rate of replacement level by that time is growth of the southern state that seat shares as a proportion of the total strength of the Lok Sabha bill come down will still not find redress. Moreover, the imbalance in the number of electors across constituencies barriers in such each state between 20,000 for the last general elections before the 2008 delimitation and 2024 the country's electorate has grown by approximately 45% in just over 50%. There has been significant malapportion in many constituencies in Karnataka. Bangalore North has 3.2 million voters, while UDP millions has less than half that number. One solution, doubtless a partial one, could be allowed delimitation which each state but not across the country. This would be in keeping with federal principle but might be unfair to large states that have seen a huge disproportionate population jump over the last 50 years. Thank you.